Now we are going to see about Schrodinger equation particle in a box under quantum mechanics. Next, there are two types of mechanics, classical mechanics and quantum mechanics. Now we will discuss quantum mechanics. Derivation of the Schrodinger equation, then two types of waves. One wave for standing waves, another one is progressive waves. To derive the Schrodinger equation, we use two standing waves to describe the deeply discussion in the wave function. The important property of light is to obey the different types of wave function. Now we get the equation dou square psi by dou x square, that is equal to dou square psi by dou t square. Then deeply discussion the wave function dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square, that is equal to dou square psi by dou t square. Where psi is defined as the Schrodinger equation of the wave function, psi that is equal to 2 of sine 2 pi by lambda x cos 2 pi nu t. In this two equation, t is the time, nu is the speed of light, lambda is the wavelength of the frequency, then t is the duration of the time. Next, we know that the last two equations, the functions of x and t. X-axis is different between the wave function, y-axis is different between the phi. Then in between the distance lambda, lambda is mean that the wavelength of the wave function. The last equation can be written as psi that is equal to psi of x cos 2 pi nu t. Next, differentiate with respect to the above equation, psi that is equal to psi of x cos 2 pi nu t. With respect to 2 times differentiate, then dou psi by dou x that is equal to psi of x differentiate with respect to x, psi dash of x cos 2 pi nu t, same the function of wave function. Then again differentiate with respect to x, dou psi of divided by dou x square that is equal to psi dash of x that is equal to psi double dash of x. Then cos 2 pi nu t differentiate with respect to cos 2 pi nu t. When substituting equation into the equation, the above equation psi and x and t with respect to the time duration. So dou square psi by dou x square that is equal to 1 by b square dou square psi by dou t square. We get, substituting the above equation, we get psi double dash of x cos 2 pi nu t that is equal to 1 by b square that is equal to minus 4 pi square psi of x cos 2 pi nu t. Dividing the equation, above equation and previous equation, psi double dash of x that is equal to 4 pi b square by nu square psi of x. Then light is related to the speed and time. So nu that is equal to v that is equal to lambda. Nu means the frequency of the wave function, nu is the speed of light, lambda is the wavelength of the wave function. Psi double dash of x that is equal to minus 4 pi square by lambda square psi of x. By rearrangement we get d square psi by dx square plus d square by dy square plus d square psi by dz square that is equal to dou square psi by dou t square. Next topic. From de Broglie principle, lambda that is equal to h divided by p. Lambda already known that h is the momentum, p is the position of the gravity, and therefore we can write 1 by lambda square that is equal to p square divided by h square, m square v square divided by h square. M square v square is the kinetic energy of the motion. The above equation substitution, d square psi by dx square plus 4 pi square m square v square by h square psi that is equal to 0. This is the total energy of the wave function. Next one, total energy that is equal to E that is equal to T plus B. T means the classical mechanics already known that Lagrangian function. Another one is the classical function. V is the potential energy. Substituting the equation mv square that is equal to 2 into E minus V. E means that the energy, V is the potential energy. d square psi by dx square plus 4 pi square m square d square by h square. Psi is the function of the wave function. D square psi by dx square plus 8 pi square m divided by h square e minus b into psi that is equal to is 0 is the Hamilton principal function. Minus h square by 2m d square by dx square plus b into psi that is equal to e psi. That means kinetic energy that is equal to potential energy is equal to equating the previous equation. Hamilton function into wave function that is equal to energy into wave function h psi that is equal to e psi. Next topic. H cap is the Hamilton operator. Cap is denote that the vector notation. So time dependent Schrodinger equation substitute the again d square by dx square plus d square by dy square plus d square by dz square. Substitute this equation energy level and potential energy equation. So find out the equation minus h cross square by 2m dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square plus b into psi that is equal to e psi. Final distribution minus h cross by 2m del square plus b. Hold the equation dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou x square is a simple equation for del square. Del denote the Laplacian operator, read as del square. So final del square that is equal to dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square. Substitute the above equation. Then next, psi is defined as the already known that the wave function. So this function is differentiate two steps. One again x with respect to x, another one is t. Finally, we can conclude the Schrodinger equation dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square that is equal to dou square psi by dou t square. Then next one is Laplacian equation dou square psi by dou t square that is equal to minus 8 pi square mu divided by t into cos 2 pi mu t.